If you're in the market for an overhead launch monitor for your home simulator setup, but don't want to break the bank, then you should definitely be considering the Uneekor EYE XR. To be clear, this is not a budget offering. Unicor delivers some of its most important features like accurate ball data, easy setup, amazing software options, and even removing the need for special golf balls or putting stickers on your clubs. But you're not going to be paying a flagship price, which makes the EYE XR one of the best values on the home simulator market at just under $7,000. In this video, I'm going to break down its key features and why you should consider the EYE XR. In case you don't know me, my name is Jon Sherman, and I'm the author of the 4 Foundations of Golf. I've been helping players for over a decade improve their games by using technology like launch monitors. And I'm working with the Indoor Golf Shop to help give you the best info to make your decision. Now, the EYE XR is Unicor's newest release, and it's quickly becoming one of its top sellers. Here's why. It's designed for golfers who want a clean installation with minimal clutter, and that starts with its size and its positioning. The EYE XR is rear mounted. It sits 3.5 feet behind the hitting zone, so it's not between you and your hitting screen, which means it's totally out of your swing path, which gives a lot of golfers more comfort when they're swinging indoors. Additionally, the EYE XR is remarkably small and light, making it really easy to set up. Unicor makes mounting the unit a breeze, and their calibration process is pretty straightforward, so you're not going to have any headaches in that process. Once you calibrate it the first time, you're pretty much done forever. And another new feature in the setup that people love is that you're getting power over the Ethernet connection, which means that you only need one cable running to your computer. So if you're not handy like me and you don't want any of the annoying technology headaches, you'll be able to get this thing set up and running quite quickly. Now let's move on to the most important part of this product, the EYE XR's accuracy and the measurements that it is using. Now, some of their prior overhead models required special golf balls and stickers on the club to get ball and club data. And that's one of the most notable improvements in the EYE XR. You don't need either of them. So you're gonna get 19 total ball data points like spin rate, launch angle, ball speed, carry distance, and plenty of the others that you need. And it's pretty much every measurement that you'd ever want. Now, one of the main differences between the EYE XR and their flagship model, which is the EYE XO2, is club data. The EYE XR will give you club data like swing speed, smash factor, and club path, but because it's not using stickers on the face of the club, it will estimate face angle using a proprietary formula that they have. So overall, the EYE XR is going to give you very accurate ball and club data that is delivered almost instantaneously without any lag. But let's say you did want a more professional product that gave you more robust club head measurements like lie angle, angle of attack, and impact location. Then the EYE XO2 might be a better option for you if that's what you want. But in my opinion, the EYE XR is going to suit most golfers' needs. Sometimes more data is not what you need, and you don't want to be overwhelmed with a bunch of numbers that you might not understand. Overall, you're going to get really accurate ball flight indoors, which in my opinion is the most important feedback when you're practicing. Now, another consideration is the hitting zone. The EYE XR is a little smaller at 14 by 12 inches compared to the EYE XO2, which is about 28 by 21 inches. Now, I wouldn't say that this is a deal breaker, but you're just going to be a little more precise with where you place the ball while you're hitting. And if you do plan on having more golfers in your simulator, especially left-handers, that could become an issue, so it's worth some consideration. Overall, the EYE XR is accurate, it's fast, and it gives plenty of data at its price point for most residential setups or even commercial applications. But if you want a more enterprise level launch monitor, you likely want to invest more in some of the other options on the market from Unicor, TrackMan, or companies like Foresight. Now, aside from the data accuracy, the next most important part of your decision is the software ecosystem. A lot of golfers overlook this. Now, Unicor is one of the best options out there because it's open source. For years, they've been perfecting their own software that has some serious game improvement capabilities, as well as a growing lineup of golf courses that are now in 4K graphics. But they don't lock you into it. They also allow you to integrate with other popular options like GSPro or even E6 Connect. Now, Unicor does offer a few different options in its own software, ranging from free all the way up to $599 a year. So let's quickly go over that. Their View software is an extremely robust range environment that gives you all kinds of information like club dispersion, data on all of your distances, and the ability to export reports for your own use or even if you're working with an instructor. And you've got a few different price points that will of course unlock more features as you go higher. At $199, the Pro package gives you 5 player profiles and their refined software that has 5 courses built into it and the ability to generate up to 500 reports. The Champion package is next at $399 and that increases to 500 profiles, 1,000 reports, and 20 golf course simulations. And the Ultimate package is $599 a year, which is where you get access to all of their best features. The first one is their AI trainer, which is really the future of Unicor's platform that I got to look at this year's PGA show. This is really going to help golfers who are interested in dialing all of their data and getting customized feedback when they're practicing or even when they're playing a simulated course. You're also going to get Gameday, which is their top tier simulation software that features 4K graphics. So if that's important to you, that's something you should know about. Now, for all of you practice nerds out there like me, Gameday also has tons of different modes to practice more effectively. And you also have the ability to play online against golfers around the world if you want to scratch your competitive itch. So whether you're gonna go with one of Unicor's software options that it's native to their platform or a proven third-party platform like GSPro, when you buy the IXR, you are totally covered on the software front. So who is the IXR for? Let's check off a few boxes. First, you want a clean install and hassle-free overhead setup. Next, you don't want to put stickers on your clubs or use specially marked golf balls. But more importantly, you also want a launch monitor that's accurate and displays everything really fast. But you also want to save some money by not getting all of the bells and whistles that some of the commercial grade launch monitors offer. And you want great software options. It's really hard to argue against the value of the IXR at its current price point versus some other options in Unicor's lineup, as well as the competition from other companies. Now, if you need help making the decision on what launch monitor to go with or any of the other products that go into building your home simulator, do not hesitate to reach out to the Indoor Golf Shop directly at shopindoorgolf.com. They have a team of experts that can help you with every product you're going to need with your space requirements and your budget. And also make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you can get all the other resources that we are providing for you.